Hi guys, Sarah here. I have a unbagging to share with you today. But first we're going to start with the website. So this video is brought to you by the letters GBFKE. Yes. This is GBFKE.com. They reach out to me and asked me if I would review their product. So here I am. I just thought I would show you guys the website first, same as in my last video. So this one is a very familiar setup. I'm sure you guys all know what I'm talking about. Everything on this website is based in pounds, but in the corner here, you can just select this little box and change for the currency that you want to view in. Once you hit purchase though, like and go to the end of the cart to pay for everything, it does show up in pounds. So just remember what it said before you click continue. All right, so right now they do have free shipping over 30 pounds, which does not take much. The ones that I picked, there's 4 paintings and that was over 30 pounds, so it's free shipping. Otherwise, the shipping is £6.99. Okay. And they do have right now site-wide 50% off. So I just am in newest products just to show you guys. Layout has the images, the prices, and I do believe this one, I'm just going to go into one of them here. So when you scroll down on the right hand side, here is where they have the description. So it says approximate size 30 by 40. It doesn't say that that's canvas size, but I will tell you right now that it is canvas size. It's not the picture size. So I will let them know that us all diamond painters prefer to know what the actual canvas, or sorry, the picture size would be, because we prefer that, to know that over the overall canvas size. But again, a ton to choose from, lots and lots of images. I just saw these when I clicked. Oh my goodness, so cute. And I wonder what size they're. Here, let's see. I'll do some shopping while we're talking. 25 by 115. Cool. So it's like 45 inches long. That would be neat. That would be really cool. So again, they also have tools. Just clicking slowly. Sorry, my internet is very, very slow. So they have all the basic tools, storage, stuff like that. And they have some different types that you can choose to narrow it down instead of looking through all of them. They also have them in price ranges. There's super low price, buy 2 get 1, all of them that are $9.99, below $3.99, that type of thing. So let me get the camera set up for the unbagging and we will get started. Okay, so I'm gonna try this video with my overhead light off. It's daytime, it's bright, but I have my blinds slightly closed because of the sun and the heat. But let's just see. If not, I can go run over and turn it on. Now, I did want to mention, when they contacted me, they placed the order July 30th. It shipped August 1st, and I received it August 12th. So that was 11 days shipping. I'm not going to flip it over to show you the label, but it did come Canada Post expedited parcel. So, let me get in here. So again, just the shipping bag and wrapped canvases. Oh my goodness, I'm kind of excited about this one. Okay, I'm going to move these 2 over so you guys can't see those because they are clear packaging. And then we have these 2 smaller ones. So let's start with this one. Ah, yes, I can tell even through looking at it what this one is. Okay, so it doesn't look like much. This is a 30 by 30. Yeah, the size says 30 by 30, but again, with the ruler, we're at 24.5 by 24.5. So again, the size that they show on the website is the size of the outer canvas, We have a legend on the one side, which is fine for this size of painting. It's all numbers and letters on this one. As you can see, it is just flowers and outlines of butterflies. Let me go up here. It looks very super clear. It is sticky. Now, my intention with this one is to alter it. I want to add extra stuff into this image. So I will be sharing that in a separate video, but for now, here's the toolkit, just basic toolkit with a green boat, piece of wax, and a one placer. And then our drills. So for this one, there is no DMC codes on the canvas, and it looks like no DMC codes on the drills. So that is okay for me. So we have these little ones here. It has the canvas number and the drill number. There's just a black, an off-white, and a brown. Some really pretty cherry reds and pinkish. This is the background color, really pretty light blue. And then we have some greens. And more of the off beige colors, probably for the off-white flowers. Yeah, so that's it for that one. The image itself looks good. I just wanted it for the flowers in the background. Stick this back in here. Yeah, so it looks good. Hoping you guys can see well. Put that off to the side. Next one. This feels kind of heavy. I'm thinking that this is a long one that I had picked. But it looks very thin. Yes. Oh yeah. This is a panel. So let's see if it says size. It doesn't give a size because it's a panel, but here is the legend. It does have DMC codes. It is all letters and numbers. Looks pretty nice and clear. Ooh, it's sticky because my thumb just got stuck in there. It's a lot of green, so it's going to be a trick on the eyes. But same toolkit. I just thought this one was really pretty as like a 3-panel, and you can cut them up and they're still a good enough size that you can frame each of the separate pictures. Yeah, they're just like almost 23.5 by 22. Yeah. Almost 23.5 by 22. The first one is the piece of bamboo with the water trickling down. The second one is the rocks piled up. There's the water trickle coming. And then the third one is a candle floating with some lilies or flowers. I don't know if they're lilies, but. And there is another legend down here beside the third one. So we have one on the top left and one on the bottom right, which is awesome. Again, it looks really good, really clear. I don't think you would even need a light pad. And then drills. These ones have that like bluish silver. It's got canvas code, DMC code, and the number. lots of greens and browns with this one. Black, yeah, 310. 3 pouches are 310. What? Yellow. It's like a peachy. And then we get into all the greens. And some beiges and yellows and another deep army green. Oh, and there's another pouch here. I think this one's going to be really pretty. Do some nice black frames from the dollar store. I think that'd be really nice. Just gonna roll it up for now so it's out of the way. Because we have 2 more. Okay, let's start with this one. This one I kind of picked for my son because Madison got the Pikachu with the Starbucks, so sticky. I thought this would be cute. And this is a big 40 by 50, which is nice. Oh, look at that image. Toolkit, this one has a baggie. Let me turn it sideways so you guys can see the whole thing. He's got, these are a couple of characters. They are pretty pixely and blurry out there, but honestly for me, the main picture is what I'm looking at, which is Pikachu in his hat, and he's holding, I don't know what he's holding. I think it's more like a book or something with the logo on it. And there's like some little mushrooms. Super cute. Again, the only issue I see is the dark ones being a little harder. When you get into these dark ones with the white really isn't bright enough. But I'll show you this top corner here. These ones look really clear. Yeah, this one's gonna be nice. Oh, I hate it when I do that. The static does not help. Purely due to still not having air conditioning. Heat and humidity is ridiculous. So, look at him. Adorable. All right, so legend, left side, right side. No DMC codes, but this one again is mostly letters and just a couple of symbols. And the colors are going to be really, really nice. No DMC codes on these ones, just the canvas code and the number. But it's going to be really pretty. Getting super hot without a fan on right now. Love that green. There's our Pikachu colors right there. And some blues, reds, greens. A nice boy painting. Oh, with some pink. As I say nice boy painting, the pink comes out to play. That one is going to be fun. Does not disappoint. And again, we have another 40 by 50. This one I picked for me. I've seen this image a lot. And I've been wanting to get it, but again, you want to get it a little bit bigger because it has a lot of detail to it. That's the toolkit. Boat wax, couple baggies. But look at my kitty! This one is going to be beautiful. Look at his little face. It's all got succulents and flowers in him with some beautiful colors and then a nice big yellow rose here. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty. Oh, I meant to measure that Pikachu. 34 by 43. 34 by 43, and it's advertised as a 40 by 60. But to me, this is big enough. It's gonna be really pretty. Symbols are good. And sticky. Legend has the symbols and the DMC codes, and there are two. One in the top left corner, one in the bottom right corner. And then drills. These colors are going to be so pretty. Got lots of pinks, some browns, greens, got beautiful bright orange, coral. This is going to be so nice. And there's our grays for the shading around the cat. This is bright yellow. So beautiful. And then to end her off, we've got another corally. This one's like a plum, a yellow. We've got two off-white and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 huge bags of white for the background. That's gonna be scary, but it looks like the white is all gonna be all around, and then the off-white is this A color inside the cat. So that's good. The outside is not like in here. You're gonna have off-white for the edge of the cat and then pure white. So it's not gonna blend into each other. It's gonna look really pretty. That is awesome. They definitely did not disappoint with the ones that I picked. Everything seems to be good images, good quality. So check out their website down below. I will have the links to the website and the links to all 4 of these paintings so that you can get to these ones directly. And also keep an eye out for this one. I do want to alter it, so you'll have to watch the video for that. All right, so hope you guys enjoy. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks, bye.